G-Dragon in this bitch. G-Dragon in your damn area.
What's that actual name of the song?
The song is called Bullshit. Because of people on that bullshit, I'm gonna G-Dragon the shit out of them. What's up, VIPs? Welcome back to Redemption 46 Studios. I'm Nick.
And I'm Zach.
You know the vibe, just seen the picture, just seen the thumbnail. You know exactly why you're here. G-Dragon, bullshit. Don't you be on no bullshit. Hit that subscribe button and become a real redeemer today. For more content like this, jump on the Patreon. No long talk. Let's get into this. There's a special Patreon request from Josiah, long-time supporter of the channel. Getting into some more Big Bang stuff. I'm gonna be dragging the next person that talks shit about Big Bang.
G-Dragon. Like 3 months.
Shout out to Zach, y'all. He's not feeling well today.
This weather sucks.
What the Run that Digga hot dog, God, who let the dogs out? He ain't the bullshit, bitch, I'm real. 태어나게 안에 빠진 개같이 수군의 자연산 소재 한정판 여의주 여의봉 내가 다세 개봤어 왜 지내 왜 갔어 내가 거리게 내가 되겠들 장군의 독재자 독점 목에맨 그저 고비를 풀어 개봉 박수 소비를 피모 달려라 개소리 들리게 우려가 거품을 들게 잡아게 주시는 게 만나니 미친 개들 계속하여 Mama dogs
Like that fucking cha-cha that shit like. What the fuck? Hit that subscribe button and become a real VIP today. For VIP access on some more Big Bang shit, jump on the Patreon. I like this, Zach, a lot. This might be one of my favorite joints I've heard from G-Dragon in particular and Big Bang. This might be like, it's pretty high up there.
This is definitely higher energy.
Yeah, I like it a lot. I like the instrumentation that was going on with the flute. I like the production. I like how it jumped into rock pockets and kind of made it feel almost like an anthem, but then it jumped into more bassline stream shit to make it feel like more of a hip hop cipher. It walked like that line perfectly, in my opinion, with that. I like the energy and the overall feel and the vibe of it. This feels like a concert performance, like you know, in essence. I'm pretty sure, let me rephrase that. If I would have heard this song and not seen this, I still would have got the same energy from the track. So you know, shout out to him. Like this was dope. Hold on, I'm gonna pull up the lyrics too and shit like that. How do you feel about his art?
Definitely a dope track. Like you said, this is 100% a concert song. You can feel the energy. You can see the energy. Production was fire. Dance moves was fire. What year was this?
5 years ago, so 2018, January 15, 2018.
This is dope. I like this a lot. This track was fire, up tempo. Makes you want to get up and dance or just jump around, really. I love the fire on the stage too. That's super dope. I've always liked those at concerts. They're very hot if you stand next to it though. I've been there.
He said, G ain't no bullshit. Bitch, I'm real. I was born calm and collected. My destiny is bullshit. I'm pure Korean, natural, and limited edition. A magic pearl, magic stick. Bang, bang, I'm aroused. Where my dogs at? What's up? I'm in a dog house. I was getting some X energy from that.
Talking that talk.
Yeah, nah, he was talking that talk. I am my own lord throughout heaven and earth, dictator of high-ranking generals, pitbull, untied a rope, string, and reins around your neck, unveiled. Oh, he talking that shit, X. You on that bullshit. Okay, so this... I actually like what's going on here and shit. Like I said, I'm definitely felt like those DMX themes and shit like that just because like where my dog's at, what's up? I'm in the dog house, my house. I heard the other dogs get dirty. Dogs call me by the sound of grass being ripped up and eaten. Okay, and then even all the references and stuff like that, like he's on some shit like a dog that's wild and got the chain taken off. All together now, bullshit suit you well, shout out. It's a place for good, all together, bullshit suit you well. Okay, then it turns into an anthem. Nah, this is decent. This is actually a download for me. I even like the cover he got going on. That shit look crazy. Nah, man, but like, first off, shout out to Josiah. Shout out to everybody who be recommending all the Big Bang stuff. Y'all know how we feel on here. Like, when people big up legends and they tell us, like, how important things was and what was going on when people were outside and shit, sometimes we be wanting to feel that same energy or have y'all kind of tell us what was going on, just so we kind of can understand from a fandom's perspective, like, what the state of K-pop was at the time. You know, shit like this is kind of more of my speed, so I kind of can resonate with this like a little bit more than some of the other stuff that I've seen. From what I get from G-Dragon, he definitely seems like somebody who's a trendsetter and somebody who kind of, you know, goes his own path and kind of, you know, don't really follow anybody. Because sometimes in K-pop, you'll have like a lot of trends that's going on and people that kind of jump on waves. And Big Bang kind of give me the personality and the vibe, like they set the trends and they get shit pop and they just don't kind of follow what's going on. So, you know, I like that energy a lot, and I think these are tracks that'll make me kind of not only want to like join the fandom, but get like kind of more immersed with all the everything that's going on and shit. So that's pretty much my spiel. Like I said, I fuck with this a lot. Interested to see some more stuff. We about to jump into another joint too. Jump in the comments, tell us how y'all felt about this. This is a good joint, Josiah. VIPs, throw some more Big Bang stuff in there, especially live performances and other stuff. But yeah, no long talk, man. We're going to holler at y'all. Peace. Baseball bat out.